So I replaced this mirror. I'm not sure if somebody just wanted the black ones for another car because, well, I don't know, it has the other one. But then the other thing I noticed is they have these ones that have the little concave or convex part, and then the white mirrors had both of those. It's not power, of course, but if anybody was wondering how these come off, there's 3 screws underneath, there's a panel, but then there's this oddball kind of clip thing. I'm not sure if you can see it, but what you do is it snaps on the base and then the top slides out. Let's see if we can do it, but what you do is you get it to unsnap from the base. If I can do this. I know I have a better screwdriver here somewhere. So, if you can get it to pop off the base of that mirror, and then it'll slide out, you see. So I just pushed down from the top. See, I already forgot, so I hope this will help someone else. So that snaps on the base and then it slides up. That's what it was. And then this comes out this way. So that goes on, snap the base clip in place, and then slide it up in place. So it should look like that. Slid up into place. So you poke it down, clip it out. And then there's just 3, I believe, Phillips screws behind there. 1 little piece of wire. It's not power, but I think it has defog or something. So just be careful with those.